Hi, it's Accutek Car Audio Visual in Winchester. Here's a video of a Mercedes 2006 SL having a KENWOOD DMX8021DABS. I'll jump in, there we are. All in really nice with the fascia. This one's got all your Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, DAB. It's also got a camera dash cam, which is in the screen here. That's linked to this unit. You can press the camera and you can see the front there. It allows you to play back any parking images that it gets whilst your car's being parked up. All the steering wheel control all still work, as you can see there. If you'd like to have this done in your Mercedes SL, then please give us a call on 01962 886 900. Thanks for watching.